Hi, Evan Roush here at Gym City Ford Lincoln in Quincy, Illinois, also known as Truck City. Why? Because we sell lots of trucks. Here behind me I have this really nice 2017 Ford F-150 Sport Appearance Package, and we're getting ready to do a walk around on it. Here we go. Alright, super sweet grille with the Sport Appearance Package, very aggressive, I love it. And check out these meaty tires. Pretty much brand new. They might be, not sure, but they sure do look good. It's got the 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine. Do notice some bird droppings right here. Splat, splat. That will come off. Don't notice any exterior flaws on this side. Do want to point out, it does have one little kind of scrape right there. I mean, the truck's been used. It's got that Rhino Pro on it. But bumper and all that looks good. It's the STX Sport Appearance Package 4x4. Clean vehicle history report. Super slick. Love the running boards too. It goes really well with the tires. Do notice some streaks right here, but that is just water marks. That will come off. Just love the stance of this truck. It is mean looking. Looks great. Alright, taking a look underneath the hood. Call this the business end of things. 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine. It is a beast of its own. She's running and sounding perfect. Taking a look at the passenger side seat. Looks very nice. Back seat. Show you something pretty cool too. If you lift up these seats, I'll tell you what, got a lot of cargo room. Did a lot of cargo back here. A lot of room. Got a couple plug-ins. Right there. Driver's seat. No wears, tears, or anything like that. Automatic lights, switch that over. Electronic park and brake. Super nice backup camera with zoom in option. Never have to have someone help you back up a trailer ever again. Got that zoom in option, very nice. Full wheel drive, pull this out, locks the rear end, call that posi traction. This button right here, super cool. And press it once, tow haul mode. Press it again, sport mode. And trust me, it works. Center console, I need to get some air going in here. USB ports, plenty of cup area and all that. Center console, plenty of room, big center console. Super clean truck. Very nice truck, love it. Alright guys, Evan Roush here at Gym City Ford Lincoln. Just wrapped up this walk around on this really nice 2017 Ford F-150 Sport Appearance Package. It's got big, tough looking tires on it. About 71,000 miles on it. Clean vehicle history report, super clean. I will put some details in the notes below. If you like my video, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more videos. And please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.